If you're a roofer in Sydney and you don't have the right insurance, you're taking on one of the highest risk jobs with zero protection. Roofing isn't like most trades. You're working at heights. You're handling heavy materials. You're working on people's homes and commercial buildings where one mistake can cause serious damage. And in Sydney, that risk is even higher because of the mix of residential, commercial, and multi-storey work. One slip, one dropped tool, one mistake with waterproofing. That's all it takes. A tile falls and damages a car below. Water gets in and destroys ceilings, walls, and electricals. Someone gets injured on site. These are some of the most common claims roofers face, and they happen more often than people think. That's why public liability insurance for roofers in Sydney is critical. It covers you if your work causes injury to someone else or damages their property. It also covers legal costs if a claim is made against you. And here's the part most roofers underestimate. Roofing is considered one of the highest risk trades in Australia. You're dealing with heights, unstable surfaces, weather exposure, and tools that can cause serious damage if something goes wrong. Which means the financial risk is higher too. One claim can easily run into tens or even hundreds of thousands depending on the damage. And in Sydney, you often won't even get on site without insurance. Builders, contractors, and clients will ask for proof before you can start work. In many cases, you need $10–20 million in cover just to be considered. So this isn't optional, it's part of doing business. And if you're working without it, you're personally liable. That means if something goes wrong, you're paying for the damage, legal fees, and everything else out of your own pocket. No buffer. Most smart roofers in Sydney go further than just public liability. They also protect tools and equipment because theft and damage are common. Income, if you're injured and can't work. Vehicles and gear used on site. Because if your tools are gone or you're off the tools, your income stops instantly. But public liability is the core. That's the one that protects you from the big hits that can shut your business down. So if you're a roofer working anywhere in Sydney, residential, commercial, or subcontracting, you need to have this sorted before something goes wrong. Because in roofing, it's not a low-risk trade. It's one of the highest. If you want to compare options or get a fast quote for roofer insurance in Sydney, check the link below and get properly covered.